A rectangular plot of ground 100 metres long and 60 metres wide is surrounded by a fence. A path is 4 metres wide is laid around the edge inside the fence. The path is covered with square paving slabs, each with side of length 2 metres, costing €25 each. Calculate the area of the plot of land. So how much is the land in total, guys? How'd you do that, Noah? The full thing?
Yeah.
How'd you go about doing that?
I just multiplied 100 by 60 and 4 by 4.
Does 100 by 60 will do.
Okay.
So its length equals area equals length multiplied by width, which is 100 by 60, and what you get? 6,000. Okay, that's the area of your land. 6,000 what? Meters squared. Now, next thing you need to do is calculate the area of the path. Currently, you have the blue area. Would everybody agree with that? Yes, Aaron?
Yeah, no, just also.
Go on, go for it.
Yeah, you do 4 by 4.
Not just yet. You get the area of the red one. If you get the area of the red area and take it away from the blue area, you get the area of the path on the outside.
Yeah, sorry. You do 64 by 104. Is it?
No, the opposite way, Aaron.
Oh no, sorry. Yeah. 56 by 90.
Okay. Alright, nearly. You're on the right track. You're going to have to take away 4 twice. Because there's a 4 here and there's a 4 here. So that means it's 60 minus 4 minus another 4, which gets me 52.
52 minus 92.
And then it's 100 take away 4, take away another 4 is 92. So this is 52 multiplied by 92. So what's 52 multiplied by 92? Anybody? Anybody get it last night now?
I just took away 4 ones for each of them, but hasn't 260.
Sorry? Oh no, you're right. Go for it again.
4,784. What?
4,784 is correct. Take them away and what you get? 6,000 minus that number?
Oh, sorry. 1,260.
1,216. Okay, that's the area of the path. Now, lads, the path is covered by square slabs. Do you understand square slabs? Kenny? Square slabs, you see them? It's going to be covered in square slabs. Now, what's the size of each slab? Up close. And, because it says it's a square. 2 multiplied by 2? 4. Okay? So therefore what happens now?
Then you divide that into
the area of the
path.
Yeah. Area of path divided by area of one slab will give you the number of slabs you need. So you have to cover 1,216. Each slab only covers 4. Divide it in and what do we get? 304 slabs. Is that right?
Slabs are breakers?
Pavement slabs. Currently the question is pavement slabs. Is that okay? Now, is there any question on that last one? Okay, Barry. A rectangular plate. What is the first thing you'll draw? Rectangle. And it'll be 3 by 1.5. Okay. It's cut up into small square pieces with sides of length 15. Meters and centimeters, they're not compatible, are they? So let's change meters into centimeters. What's 3 meters?
3 meters is 300 centimeters.
And 1.5 meters?
150 centimeters.
Okay. What's the area of this rectangular? What's the area of it? length by width, which is going to be 4,000.
45,000.
Yeah?
45,000.
45,000?
Yeah.
Now, will the squares fit in evenly to both sides? Will it fit in evenly going across? How would you figure that out? Divide 150 by 15 and see if it will fit in. 150 divided by 15, will it go in evenly? Do you know what I mean by that? It will fit in perfectly. What about 300 divided by 15? Will it fit in evenly? Yeah. Okay? So, it's like you can fit in 20 of them going down this way and 10 of them going that way. Do you understand?
How did you get to 45,000?
That's the area. I multiplied length by width to get 45,000. Now lads, what's the area of one slab? It's 15 by 15, which is going to be 225. How many squares will we get? How do you find that out?
Divides 45,000.
Yeah, and you get 200. Okay? Do you want to know a second way of coming at that? Remember we divided 150 by 15, yeah? We found that out to be? We found it out to be 10. We can fit 10 of them going across. What's 300 divided by 20? Or by 15 I mean? 300 divided by 15? Was 20. So we can fit 10 across and 20 going down. What does that mean? How many of them will there be in total? You just multiply them by each other and you get 200. Because if you look in, I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, how many arrows do I have there? There you go. So that's basically, we're basically doing something like this, aren't we? It's that much. We're fitting 20 of these ones across. Now it's just getting really complicated, isn't it?
I don't know where the lines start.
Yeah, because they're dotted. Yeah, me neither. Alright, so that's grand. I think you got the gist of what it's doing there though. Okay, so 200 either way. What about this one here? Floor of a room 15 metres long by 12 metres wide is to be covered tiles. Each tile is a square of length 20 centimetres. What you do?
I'm just wondering for that question, do you have to draw the square? Or is that just something that would help you?
That's something that helps me.
Yeah, would you have to do it like that?
No, but once again, it shows workings and everything else.
No, so basically if you don't get it wrong, at least you have knowledge to show.
Now the tile is in centimetres, isn't it? So what's the size of one tile? Remember, it's not drawn on the scale.
Oh, yeah,
20 by 20 is?
Say
400. And you gotta figure out if I was to shrink these down. Basically you're talking it's only around that size, and you have to see how many of these will fit in. Do you understand? How many of them can you fit in to your bigger rectangle? Yeah? So how do we go about calculating that?
do you have to turn the 12 and 15 into centimeters?
Turn the 12 and 15 into centimetres, and what you get?
120.
And what's the area then? And what happens when you multiply those two?
Wait, just wondering.
18,000.
Yeah, you have a question, Aaron?
I'm just wondering what did we get? Because remember we had like 1.5 or something, didn't we end up turning that into 150?
You can do, yeah. You can either change metres to centimetres or centimetres to metres. Just choose one.
No, but like you turn 15 metres into 150, and then back in 1.5 metres, you turn it into 150 centimetres.
You're right, it's 1500. Sorry guys, it's that many. Add on 2 zeros, and what do we get go again?
180,000.
Might be 1,800,000, is it? Well, good spot, Aaron. 1,800,000. So there's 1,800,000 to be covered. How much does each square cover? Each square covers what, guys? So what do we have to do to get our answer of how many tiles we need? Divide 1,800 by, and what happens when we do that? We need 4,500 tiles. That's a lot of tiles, isn't it? Now, each tile costs €2.80. So how much money do we need to buy all the tiles? Multiply that by, and what do you get? You okay, Kenny? So, €12,600. Yeah? That's how much it costs us to get the tiles. But we have to charge for the work as well. It costs you €1.10 per tile. So how much tiles are we laying down again? We're laying down 4,500 tiles multiplied by 1.1, and what do we get? Anybody? And that's for the work, isn't it? So what's our total bill? Add them together. What you get? $550. Anybody get that last night? 17,550. Look at this one. A rectangular bungalow measures 18 meters long by 8.5 meters wide. How much will it cost to put a concrete path measuring 1.5 meters wide all around the bungalow at a cost of €30 per square meter? Okay, so here we go. Okay, we have, how many rectangles do you think we're going to have for this diagram? Anybody? Sorry? I have to make it more accurate though, don't I? It's not the same thickness all the time. There we go. Wait, I need to be able to drag this down a little bit. Okay, everybody happy with that? It's more or less correct now. Now, what's 18 meters long? The big rectangle or the small rectangle? Sorry? Why? How do you know it's the small Ben? Okay, so see the yellow path here? So what's inside that is the 18 meters by the 8.5. Now what's the area of the bungalow then? How do we find the area of that? And we get 153. Now, what's the area of the big rectangle? So what's the length of the big rectangle? Oh, sorry, I'm just going to change around the 18 and the 8.5 for a minute. It's a bit out of proportion. Okay, so what do you have to add on to 8.5? You have to add on and another 1.5. So add on 3 and you get 11.5. And this one is 18 wide, right? So you have to add on a 1.5 here and a 1.5 there. So what's the size of that one then? 21. So our big rectangle is 11.5 multiplied by, and what do we get? 241.5. That's the area of the big one, which is everything here. How do we find out the area of the pat then? The big one take away the
Small one.
and once we get the big one take away the small one. And do about
88.5. 87.5.
88.5.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now 88.5. What does it say each square meter costs?
30 meter.
So we expecting this is 88.5 square meters. Will it cost more than €30 or less than €30? So you have to multiply it by 30. What do we get?
2,655.
2,655.
Why is it at 30?